Garlic has a pungent smell, and is good in certain dishes. It has the vital chemical compound allicin, which is a wonderful therapeutic ingredient with many medicinal qualities. The allicin compound contains sulfur, which gives the herb its pungent savor and peculiar smell. The health benefits of garlic are innumerable. It helps to fight heart ailments, fight cold, cough, and lowers blood pressure. Garlic is the oldest known medicinal plant variety or spice in existence. 13 health benefits of garlic are: 1. Boosts digestion. Daily inclusion of garlic in your diet aids in eliminating any digestive problems. The herb assists in the normal functioning of the intestines for good digestion. Even swelling or irritation of the gastric canal may be rectified with garlic as a treatment. 2. Controls diabetes. Diabetes can harm the kidneys, inhibit nervous system functions, cause heart disorders, and even lead to poor eyesight. The oil extracted from garlic may protect diabetic patients from these side effects. 3. Lowers cholesterol levels. Of the two kinds of cholesterol, LDL and HDL, the former is bad for human health. Garlic, rich in the allicin compound, effectively prevents LDL cholesterol from oxidizing. All those who have high cholesterol levels should include this herb in their daily diet. 4. Reduces hypertension. Garlic is an herbal ingredient for curing high blood pressure. When exposed to high levels of pressure, the allicin present in it relaxes the blood vessels. It also fights against thrombosis by reducing platelet aggregation. 5. Eye care. Garlic is rich in nutrients like selenium, quercetin, and vitamin C, all of which help treat eye infections and swelling. 6. Relieves earaches. Garlic is commonly used for curing earaches, as it has several antiviral, antifungal, and antibiotic properties. Its oil can be made at home by squeezing the juice of its cloves and adding it to olive oil. The mixture should be kept at room temperature for a few days, but shouldn't be saved indefinitely, if made at home. 7. Treats intestinal problems. Garlic clears up most intestinal problems like dysentery, diarrhea, and colitis. Its role in dispelling worms is phenomenal. It does not affect the functioning of useful organisms in the intestine, which aid in digestion, but it does destroy the harmful bacteria present in the intestines. 8. Treats cold. Raw garlic is used to treat colds and coughs. At the very onset of a cold, you should eat at least 2 crushed cloves of it, which will thereby help in lessening the severity of your cold. 9. Treats wounds. Garlic can be placed on infected wounds as an herbal treatment. It should be mixed with 3 drops of water, rather than using it in raw form, as the undiluted juice can irritate the skin. 10. Prevents acne. Half the people in the world suffer from mild to severe forms of acne. Garlic may be used, along with other ingredients like honey, cream, and turmeric, to treat acne scars and prevent the initial development of acne. Garlic acts as a cleanser and an antibiotic substance for soothing skin rashes. 11. Controls asthma. Boiled garlic cloves are wonderful as an alternative asthma treatment. Each night before going to sleep, a glass of milk with 3 boiled cloves of garlic can bring subsequent relief for patients with asthma. The asthma attacks may be brought under control by having crushed garlic cloves with malt vinegar as well. 12. Increases libido. Garlic has certain aphrodisiac properties, so this helpful herb can be utilized as an effectual sex rejuvenator. The health benefits of garlic are further known to enhance the libido of both men and women. People who overindulge in sexual activities should consume garlic in their diet or in supplemental form to protect themselves from nervous fatigue. 13. Prevents cancer. A regular intake of garlic reduces the risk of colon, stomach, and esophageal cancer. It aids in reducing the production of carcinogenic compounds, and also reduces the occurrence of tumors associated with breast cancer. The health benefits of garlic were realized centuries ago by mankind. It is very effective when eaten raw, either crushed or chopped. As little as 1 clove of garlic per day may bring a vast improvement in your overall health. 2 to 3 cloves could prevent an attack of the common cold. However, consuming too much of it is also not very good, as it may cause irritation in the digestive system. The only drawback is its pungent smell and taste that leaves bad breath, but other than that, garlic is a medicinal boon. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.